Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Boohoo gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Boohoo app on my device, and now I'm going to go skip for now. You can log in, make sure to log in or sign up, but I'm just going to do this without an account. Alright, from here I'm just going to pick a random outfit. So gonna pick on the choose these shorts here, gonna add it to my cart, choose a size, we'll choose medium and add to bag. And now I'm going to click on checkout, because the checkout section is where you want to add. All right, I need to log in to continue this tutorial, so give me one moment. All right, from here just scroll down a little bit. So I've already done that because it's revealing my address above. So you'll see a thing called promo code. So add in your promo code, tap on apply, and then that will go ahead and apply that promo code. And then scroll down again and then click on proceed to payment to continue on with your order.